Understanding duct heaters, how they work, and their benefits in HVAC systems. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing duct heaters, an essential component in HVAC systems. A duct heater is a part of the air heating system used to maintain the required air temperature in buildings. A duct heater works by heating the air that flows through the ventilation system, ensuring that warm air is evenly distributed throughout the room. There are several types of duct heaters, including electric, gas, and hot water duct heaters. Each type has its advantages depending on your HVAC system needs. The benefits of duct heaters include efficient temperature control, flexible installation options, and enhanced comfort. Duct heaters are commonly used in office buildings, shopping malls, and industrial facilities to ensure optimal indoor temperatures. It's important to perform regular maintenance on duct heaters to ensure they operate efficiently and maintain energy savings. Duct heaters are an ideal solution for maintaining comfortable temperatures in various spaces. Be sure to choose the right duct heater for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information on HVAC systems and related products. Thanks.